Let's have a first glance at what the Curved Poly editor can do. There are multiple ways to start modeling with Curved Poly. Let's look for the editor window you can find in Tools, Curved Poly. Curved Poly editor is organized in different tool sets, which are activated with the icons you can find here in the editor. Since we have no Curved Poly models, the Game Objects tool set is the only one being active. This tool set has some available actions that are used to generate new Curved Poly models. Let's start with Import. We can import a copy of any Curved Poly asset available in the project into the scene. Curved Poly comes with a huge range of starting shapes and sample models you can get started with. For instance, let's copy the cup. A very simple shape. Now that we have a Curved Poly model selected, all the tools become available. If you are using Curved Poly Shape Editor, only the first 3 tools are available instead. We can activate the Shape tools. This is the tool to use when you want to edit the shape of a model. With this tool you can select different parts of it and change their position. For instance, make sure that the Vertices option is active and click on one of the white cubes standing for vertices in the scene. Here you have a Move tool which can be used to change the position of a vertex. You can activate other vertices to modify other parts of the model. Just to see one more example, you can select a loop of vertices at once with loops, change the Move tool to Scale tool. When vertices move, the edges follow the movement. This is defined by the shaping options you can find here, which control the shape of the tool. And you can see that the model is gaining a completely different shape from what we have started with. While working with different tools, it is useful to access their full potential through the dedicated inspector, which can be opened here. For instance, we can manually change the position of a vertex using the Selection Transform section options. Or, we can change the materials used in each part of the model. So, this was a fast glance at the editor. The rest of this guide will discuss every tool set and every aspect of the editor more in details.